I was in the US recently attending a conference, and one of the speakers was Martin Mikos from HP. He made some very interesting comments about HP's cloud strategy, and he also talked about a thing called hybrid applications as opposed to hybrid cloud and hybrid infrastructure, and he talked about cloud migration. So I asked him, pulled him aside and asked him some questions. I think you'll find that very interesting, and here's Martin.
All right, Martin Mikos from HP. You made some interesting comments during the panel about the cloud strategy from HP. Can you repeat some of those for us in Australia?
I'd be happy to, yes. At Hewlett-Packard, the cloud strategy is based on a hybrid thinking, specifically hybrid deployments, meaning as a customer you decide what you will run on-premise, what you would like hosted, what you would like managed by us, and what you would like to have on a public cloud. And then you can move workloads back and forth and place them on the best deployment architecture of your choice.
And you made some comments about applications being hybrid. What were you meaning by that?
Ideally, when hybrid really happens in its best form, the application workloads won't know where they are running. So applications can run in a small cloud, in a private cloud, or out on a public cloud, and it's your decision where it runs, but the application doesn't know and doesn't care. So the underlying infrastructure is so similar across all those deployment architectures.
And you made some really good tips about migration to the cloud. Can you repeat some of those for us?
Well, to migrate to the cloud, we must acknowledge there's a lot of stuff that doesn't make sense to migrate to the cloud. Run it as you do today, but find those workloads that lend themselves for cloud deployment. Because cloud is not just a question of running it on somebody else's computer. It's also a new architecture, a multi-tiered, microservices, API-centric architecture. So you need to find the workloads that are suitable for that sort of modern deployment.
All right. Martin, thank you very much.
Thanks, Shai.